Well, everybody, we are here at Senior Sunrise, and we just got dropped off by my good friend, Officer Wilson. And look where we have. If you guys remember this, you guys saw this twice already, but this is the third time you guys are seeing it. Traveling Tom's coffee truck. Pretty cool, huh? I don't really drink coffee, guys. Normally, every morning when I come to school, I go by the vending machine. Although I already got me a soda from the gas station, I'm still gonna go by there. Grab me a soda. You guys know it kind of looks like the Kona ice truck, except it doesn't have the other side serving window. That's pretty cool, huh? Man, it wouldn't hurt to have a job like this compared to being a police officer. I gotta tell you, that ride was mind-boggling. I really enjoyed it. But I'm glad I made it here in time. My mom has a lot of stuff to do in the morning, so she wasn't able to bring me. Hey, look, if you guys look over there, Officer Wilson and his guys are still here. You can see the lights. Oops, sorry. You can see the lights over there. They're still here. That's pretty cool. Here's the front of the truck. Oh, that's pretty nice. I like it. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir.
$20. You give me $20 and I'll.
Here's all the flavors they got: raspberry, peach, strawberry, lavender, watermelon, and mango. This is kind of like the flavor wave of a Kona ice truck. What's up, Teddy? They have lattes, cappuccinos, flat whites, macchiatos, Americano, espresso, etc., mocha, whatever. This is pretty nice, and you can get a good look inside of it too. That's awesome. I like it. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys, and there's nothing but a bunch of festivities over there. Anyway, thank y'all for coming.